industrial journey begins in the vast tropical fields, where premium cassava roots are harvested at peak maturity.
Massive agricultural harvesters extract millions of tons of raw material, ensuring a steady supply for high-capacity production lines.
Each earth-covered root is carefully handled to preserve its high starch content during the initial collection phase.
Heavy-duty logistics networks transport the unrefined harvest to our modern facility for immediate processing and refinement.
The raw harvest arrives at the intake station, marking the first step in its transformation into pure starch.
Precision high-pressure water jets initiate the cleaning process, stripping away organic debris with surgical industrial accuracy.
Systematic mechanical agitation ensures that every square inch of the cassava surface is thoroughly scrubbed and sanitized.
Advanced vibrating separation technology removes residual sand and stones, protecting the downstream machinery from potential physical damage.
Our optical sorting system analyzes each tuber in milliseconds, ensuring only the highest quality raw materials proceed. Sophisticated sensors detect imperfections at light speed, maintaining the uncompromising purity required for premium snow-white starch production. physical transformation intensifies as mechanical friction rollers efficiently strip the outer bark to reveal pure white flesh. High-pressure water curtains instantly flush away the loosened skins, maintaining a sterile environment for the exposed, starch-rich tubers.
A pristine white surface is now exposed, representing the high-quality raw material required for premium industrial starch production. Secondary rotating brushes polish the tubers, ensuring every trace of residual skin is removed before entering the rasper. Cleaned tubers now accelerate toward the high-speed rasper, where they will be pulverized to release the starch granules.
Our process enters deep refinement, utilizing high-velocity centrifugal separators to concentrate the pure white cassava starch molecules. Multi-stage hydrocyclone banks accelerate the slurry, using intense physical forces to eliminate microscopic impurities and residual proteins.
Molecular precision is achieved as water is stripped away, leaving behind a dense and highly concentrated starch milk.
Sophisticated industrial sensors monitor the separation efficiency, ensuring the liquid reaches the absolute peak of snowy white purity.
The refined concentrate now moves toward final dewatering, transforming from a fluid state into a thick starch cake.
The flash drying process instantly evaporates moisture as the starch particles accelerate through a stream of hot air. Centrifugal force separates the dried granules from the air, collecting the pure snow-white powder in the hopper below.
Precision rotary valves regulate the flow of dry starch, maintaining a constant volume for the final cooling stage. Advanced sifting technology ensures perfect particle uniformity, resulting in a silky texture that meets the highest industrial standards. The finished product is pneumatically conveyed to the packaging hall, ready for high-speed filling into industrial-grade bags.
Precision robotics now take command, ensuring each bag of premium cassava starch is handled with absolute industrial accuracy.
High-capacity vacuum grippers secure the heavy bags, utilizing pressurized air systems to maintain a perfect, non-destructive hold. Orchestrated movement allows the system to organize thousands of units daily, optimizing the factory's high-volume logistics throughput.
Standardized pallets are automatically positioned by hydraulic systems, creating the foundation for a perfectly balanced and stable load.
Digital stacking algorithms ensure maximum stability, preparing the starch bags for secure long-distance transport across global supply chains. Finished pallets enter our automated high bay warehouse, demonstrating the massive scale of our global industrial logistics. Computer-controlled cranes navigate through towering racks, optimizing storage density for millions of tons of premium cassava starch. Every pallet is digitally tracked within this clinical environment, ensuring perfect inventory management for international food supply chains. High-capacity loading bays facilitate the rapid transfer of finished goods, connecting our production line to global markets.
Heavy-duty shipping containers arrive at the dock, ready to distribute our Snow White starch to gourmet manufacturers worldwide.
The journey concludes as the refined Snow White powder is revealed, ready to transform culinary creations globally. Its microscopic uniformity creates a silky, fluid-like grace that defines premium gourmet ingredients in professional kitchens.
Upon contact with heat, it instantly gelatinizes, providing the perfect neutral base and characteristic chewy texture.